to my roots. Oh yes, yeah, darling.
Subscribe to Ilekoko TV.
Baby, I found a way to take you out of here and do anything to make you happy. I am ready now, you will see. Your friends told you not to send me, cause Baba Luku done dey pay. Now me be the small boy wey him dey tackle. Him papa no dey shame. Do you remember that I promised to take you round the world? But first I'll take you somewhere you've never been before. So baby, let's go to Lagos, the city. Okay baby, let's go to Lagos. The buses there are big, and the cool things that you imagine, baby, right there they are real. Do you remember that I told you that Don Jazzy is my friend? You'll see Femi and Shehu Kuti for the place where them they sing. I will take you to the island to see Tenny and Davido, and I will bring you down to mainland to see Poco and Tubaba. I will treat you and make you pretty, so you'll be friends with Genevieve. Baby, I'll do anything to make you happy. I say big boy where I be. So baby, let's go to Lagos, the city where everything goes. You'll see Two-Face and Whiskey.
Please subscribe to Ilekoko TV.
Back to my room.